Fudge got him going.
Classic. Oh, Fudge got him going.
269 classic cars. Come take a ride with us, we got it all. Hot rods to muscle cars. A ton of dream cruise class. I like that 66, no, but that C8 to go the fast. Chevelle on 4G auto rims. 101 whips, these ain't average. 269, 269 classic cars. 269, 269 classic cars.
Man, see, now you hear that exhaust? That's what I'm talking about. Oh, will it? With the same exhaust?
The only difference is he's got a bigger cam in that. He's got a chomp. That's why he's got the little.
Now, y'all don't mind me recording in here, do you? You got a warrant?
Do I got a warrant?
Yeah.
Dude, I've got a warrant for every woman in the county.
Oh, look at that guy right there. And look at her shaking her head like, Lord have mercy.
See you, Sam. Back in her office she goes.
Sam don't talk too much, huh? Hey, can you start this up? Start it one more time for me.
Man, they busy down here, man. They got.
I want to hear it. He ain't that damn busy. Look at him.
Kevin to get it though.
I like him. He look real professional. My man right there, he got his shirt buttoned all the way the hell up.
He got it tucked in too.
He got it tucked in too? There we go. Now you say that got a cam in it?
This one got a cam in it too, and it ain't that big.
So what you mean it'll sound like that, but what you got to do to make it sound like that outside?
Take the cam out of this, put a higher profile cam so it stays open a little bit more and it'll go. It's just enough to give it that little loop.
He like that. Look at mine like that. Go on, man. You be out here summer 2025. Summer 25. You hear that? Make sure you got some coolant in there.
That's the man right there.
That's why they make sure you have the coolant, because he ain't doing that shit again. He's like, make sure you got coolant. We ain't putting another engine in there.
Nope.
All right, man, I see you.
Alright, man.
If you want that motor, if you want a motor build, he's the guy to do it.
He the guy to do it? Build motors?
But he's 3 months behind.
Oh, shit. That's cool. He be good for good story. Y'all hear that? If you watching this video, they building motors and how many months? God damn, I bet my ass black now.
About 3 months out.
3 months out.
Sounding good, Bill.
Come see Bill. Where we at? We are at the service center. Bill said he can build you a motor. He's 3 months out. Come check him out. He just built this motor right here. Ooh, big LS. Mike, you looked at this one? You seen this? Ooh, big LS in the Buick.
That's got air ride and everything.
Air ride?
Yeah. It'll go right on down to the ground.
Damn.
This is all brand new. This is a brand new build. Like everything brand new. Every nut and bolt.
Yeah, see, there's your air ride right there.
Where?
There's the control box for the air ride. Custom built.
You can control this with your phone.
You guys built this?
Yeah.
You say you control it with your phone?
Yeah, you can. There's an app that you can control it with your phone.
Oh shit, hold on, let's wait a minute. Let's bag up. Hold on. Ooh, look at it. How low can you go? Oh yeah. Hey, can you start it up for me? But they ain't gonna never let me come back. You hear? She sounds like she got COVID. So that's the motor man, right?
That's the motor guy. That's the guy you want. Bill Luck.
And he does.
Grab my blue card and go to
Oh, you about to have fun, man. You love that ride, don't you? He glad he going to lanes. He's like, hell yeah, that's at least what, an hour out his day. Ain't that about an hour out your day, Lane? Going to lane.
45 minutes there, 45 minutes back.
38 minutes there, 38 minutes back.
No, you don't want to get a traffic ticket. Take your time. He gonna pull up at closing time. I ran into traffic. Oh, that's nice. So look, guys, come to the service center on Portage Road. What is this place called? Performance Auto.
Performance Plus Auto, and
Performance Plus
when
Auto.
you leave, you get make sure you let them know we're.
No, you let them know right
we're,
now.
We're Jasper engine certified. We can do Jasper engine.
They do.
Transmission.
You listening to them, guys? Jasper engines.
Yes.
And they what? You say 3 months behind right now?
Well, if we're getting just a stock rebuild or something,
Uh-huh.
and we call Jasper,
Uh-huh.
a couple days we'll done.
Couple days you
Now
done.
custom builds, it could take a week, it could take a month, it could take a year.
Now let me ask you this.
How much you want done to it.
So do you guys get the motors, or do someone get the motors? You getting crate engines? Do you get
No.
used motors? How you
we'll
do
get
it?
the used motors. They
Uh-huh.
get tore apart completely. Sent to the machine shop.
Okay.
They do the heads, the block. We don't take any chances. We don't skip any steps.
Okay.
It's redone.
So a
So
build.
when Bill builds it, it's perfect.
And builds are all building a motor is all different prices.
Yes.
So a motor
Depending on
like
what it
this
is.
one is not to get into this
That
person's
I
business. Hold
don't
on, we
know.
don't want to get into this man's business,
Right.
but around a ballpark figure is what I'm asking. Something like this will cost, just so they'll know what they would get into.
Bill, what's the what do we got into this?
Bill, I don't want to know the exact number. I just want to let people get a ballpark figure of what it'll cost without giving too much information on this
here,
man.
a lot
Yeah,
of money. This is everyday brand new.
every day brand new.
From AC to brand new engine, everything in it is brand new. There's not one used, nothing gold. Brand new tranny, brand new drive shaft, brand new exhaust, brand new air ride. The air ride alone is $7,000.
No, we don't want to know about the air just for a
Just
motor.
the engine.
I just want people to know.
4340.
So if somebody interested in getting the LS put in their car, what would they be looking
this
at?
crate motor, if you buy this crate motor from Summit, you'd be looking at $10,000.
10 grand?
Just the motor. That
Just
don't
the motor.
include the intake, none of the bracketry, none of the electrics. That's just a long block. It comes with the lower end of the engine and heads.
Okay.
So then all that stuff is extra, all that pieces, that's all more money.
So about 10,000, 10, 12, maybe let's say 10 to 15,000 you can get an LS put in
Brand
with
new,
labor.
yeah, brand new.
Brand new?
Not put in, no. That's just
That's
the motor.
That's just the motor.
Yeah, that's just the
Okay,
motor.
that's why I wanted to know.
So if
Okay.
you get like a stock LS, like you get like a crate engine for about $5,000 LS, then you can have about, you buy the bracketry and all the shit, you can have another $5,000 and all that, and then probably $5,000, so it'd be 15 with just a stock 5
Okay. Woo.
And now if you want
it,
more,
it depends on what you want to spend. That's really what it.
Yeah, all of them could be different. All depend on your budget. How far
These
how
billet
far you
brackets-
want to go.
Yeah, these billet brackets are $300, So and they got 300 in this side, 300 in that side. I mean, you want to get fancy and spend the money, you can do it, but it's show quality type stuff.
Mm-hmm.
So
Yeah. It's up to you. All this
most LS jobs,
them pulleys look
Even-
new on there too.
yeah,
All this
everything on this is brand new. This is all brand new car.
shit. Okay.
Nothing used, nothing recycled. It's all brand new.
Even the wheels.
Yep, wheels, tires.
those were not cheap either.
No, I know.
Yeah.
I know. Hey, you know, don't you, Mont? It ain't cheap, is it?
You know I know.
I know you know.
Most
Mont, Mont got a bag in that Pontiac in there. You see that Pontiac? It's a bag going in there. Yeah. But you know what? It's gonna be worth it in the end.
This is a $100,000 car. Right now, with
100,000.
Yeah, bone stock. These cars right now are the classic car right now. Bone stock without any of this LS stuff, $40,000. That's what they go for. Right now, I can pull up 5 of them right now on the classic car sites. So once you put an LS in and then air ride and custom it, this is easy sell like Bear Jackson or one of those places, $125,000 all day long. My father-in-law works for Bear Jack, so
Oh, yeah?
I appraise these kind of cars. That's what this will be appraised at. If you had to build this car from scratch, you'd have $125,000 easy in it.
Okay.
I mean, the ticket alone that we spent to do that is a lot of money.
There's a lot of money.
Not
Oh,
to mention,
I'm
what it costs
glad
to
you
just-
saying
and that's
that.
used. Now you spend more money making it new. You doubling what you spent.
Mhm,
That's
mhm.
easy.
And that's just parts. Now you're not thinking about the labor, the time.
Right.
Body work, the paint, the shit like that.
Because all that stuff.
Yeah.
Interior, all that stuff. You can get 100 grand wrapped up in these cars.
So can.
They sure can. Hey, that's what I try to tell people. People like, man, what you let your car go for? I said, man, you don't even want to know what you have to give me to get my car.
If you want to
I got
afford
too
it.
much in it.
Right.
If you want to afford one of these, don't get married.
Oh, no, I'm married, but you know.
My new school.
Yeah,
Yeah.
They do. But
They
the
do.
problem is you take an old school car that made to drive like a board on two wheels, like a skateboard, and you want it to drive like a new car that.
Mm-hmm.
You got to think. Most cars now are 100 grand, right? What's
Yeah,
that?
100. You're right. 100. Everything. 100.
100 grand, right?
Yeah, everything. Everything 100.
And it's just crazy. The dollar used to go a lot.
You won't.
further.
You get a car for about 70,000, but then you want heated seats. You want
Yeah,
heated
that's more
steering wheel.
money, yeah.
You want all the bells and whistles. You gonna come out more money.
It's just crazy. The prices have changed and gone up
Yeah.
that much in 20 years.
And you notice how people are more getting into these older cars now, though.
They worth it. That's the problem.
Yeah.
The
You
new
get your
stuff-
money
new cars-
back.
Yeah, new cars. You drive them off the dealership lot. You get half.
Half.
They get cut in half.
Yeah.
The old school, you get 20, 25 years old, then it becomes valuable again.
Right.
So, I mean, it's the same thing with a house, right? You buy a house, you sell it within 2 years. You usually lose money, right? Unless you
Right.
buy a fixer-upper.
Mhm.
But wait 20 years, and the inflation and markets all went up. Now you made money.
Right.
I know people bought houses 20 years ago for 80, 90 grand, and they're worth 300,000.
They sure is. Right
Oh,
now,
like crazy.
right now, you selling the house, you gonna get some money.
Yeah, I like those wheels. You should put those on. 150 spokes.
Chrome, not gold, though.
Yeah, I get the gold center with a chrome outlay.
Oh yeah.
So the spokes gold with the chrome. I went all gold on this because I like the colors.
This yours?
No, this custom.
Oh, okay.
But the customers like, just build me. This is the kind of stuff I like, is just build me. I don't want to see it till it's done. So
He just said, go and do your thing.
Now wait till we get done with the hood, because
I
we got
built
a mural.
a couple of his family's cars, so this isn't like the first one. So.
Because he's putting the mural on there. Like,
Yeah, under the hood there's a secret picture that's going to be painted under the mural.
Okay.
So when you open the hood, it'll be a mural.
Them the best kind of customers, ain't it? Just build me, man. Go and do your thing.
Here's my budget. Give
Here's-
me what I can get.
Give me what I can get.
Because then you can let the creative juices flow, you know?
And you doing the damn thing in there, ain't you? Woo. What you looking at, Mom? Why you staring at it like that? You thinking about going back to the bank?
Just waiting on mine to get done. That's
He ain't
all.
much
You
further.
you
I
gonna
mean,
you good?
Between that one and his, ain't much really difference, honestly.
Right. Yours look good too, Mom.
Just waiting on it to get done.
That's
That's all.
all. Check out my man interior.
I liked it when it ran. I'm like, man, it's about time.
All right, guys. Thanks for watching, man. Hit that like button, hit the subscribe button. And tell a cousin, tell a friend, tell a neighbor, tell somebody. 269 Classic Cars, bringing you these videos, bringing you these classic cars, man. So help a brother out, man. If you don't want to share the video, just hit the like button for me, man. The like button free. Y'all don't know that like button is free. It don't cost a thing to hit that like button, man. Look at Big Snow over there. Ooh, look at Big Snow hanging out. Look. Man, I really like this truck. Now, ooh, look how Big Snow sitting up. Big Snow up there. Yeah. All right, man, we getting up out of here. Hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, man. Until the next video shoot, we see you guys next time. We gone. Out.
269 Classic Cars. 269 Classic Cars.
Feel that delicious candy. Ah, yes. The sound of screaming children is like music to my ears. I like the sound of the candy wrappers opening. Shut up! Look, there's a trick-or-treater right there. Give us your candy now! That's pretty funny, but hitting people with my mallet is